Hello, let's see how to make this thank you text. Select Old Beach from Artistic and select any your favorite color and just draw vertical lines like this. I'm just selecting multiple different colors and drawing this vertical lines. Just take any different colors. Once that's done, create a new layer, move that to the below and make the first layer creeping mask, and then select the script brush from the calligraphy, increase the size, and just make sure that you're on the below layer that you just created. Okay, as you see, the layer 2, I just selected that, and then write any text that you want. Here I'm just writing thank you text. Once that's done, let's give some shadow. Now duplicate the layer and select alpha lock on that, and select black color and select the fill layer. And once that's done, select Gaussian blur and increase a bit, and just use the selection tool and move that a bit to give that extra effect. And then go to the sketching and soft petal, and select some light color and create a layer below, and then just color it. This gives a nice background to our text. And that's it. Thanks for watching.